Hey guys, today we've got a 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia in for install. So the customer's just gone for a CarPlay Android Auto module to be able to add on to the factory system. So install's all completely done. So as you can see, factory system's completely working still. Reverse camera still active, everything through the factory system. Back into park. So what we'll do is, so from your home page, what you want to do is your menu button. You want to press and hold that for like 3 seconds. You're going to go into the new module menu. And then basically from there, what you want to do is go into your phone Bluetooth settings. You want to tap CarPlay box. You tap pair. Allow your contacts. Now the connection's starting. Tap connect on your phone. Then after about 5 or 10 seconds, it's going to connect over. And there we have it. So there's your wireless Android Auto and CarPlay, all fully functional. Through this little dial here, you just control your pages and navigations. And then, yeah, so from here, you got your application page. So all your phone contacts. Dial the number if you want. Back over to this page again. Then through here, you got your Apple Music, Maps, text messages, which all come through Siri as well. So you can use voice to text as well through Siri. All your music, Spotify, YouTube music, all that sort of stuff, now accessible through this system. So just go into navigation, close that. So as you can see, all works pretty smooth. I'll just go full screen here. That's it. Very fast. All your steering wheel controls are all working as well. So volume up, volume down. Your track buttons on the right hand side. And then of course your reverse camera still works as well. So put the car into reverse, brings up the factory reverse cam, back to park, brings you straight back into the CarPlay menu. Yeah, thanks guys.